Hi everybody, I don't know if you can hear this, but you hear how that thing is spitting and spatting. Right, so listen. Right, so this thing is firing on two barrels, okay? And the way to check it is test these plugs, right? So, ow. There's one, so we know that one's working. There's two, we know that one is working. 3, dead. Okay, this one's a bit difficult to get out. 4, dead. So we're only running on 1 and 2. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace all 4 of them. It's not necessary to replace all 4, but it is recommended, because at the end of the day you replace these 2 here, and then tomorrow one of these 2 is going to bug out on you. So it's going to cause a train effect. So it's a lot safer, yes. It's going to cost you a lot more money at the end of the day, but at least you know that if you replace all 4, then you're solid, then you're good. Then you know it's not, next time this happens, then you know it's not the coil. Unless it's a faulty coil that you get from the spare shops, but majority, 99% of the time, it's not the coil, it's something else. So if it still does this, then we're going to check the injectors, which is going to happen tomorrow. But yeah, there we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Okay, start it. And there we go. Purring like a little kitten. Rev it. Oh, that sounds beautiful. So we got that all running. So don't worry, the nuts is over here. That's I'm going to put in now. And yeah, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. All 100% perfect. Thank you.